So today I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use is Paradise, this one, Real Technique. The name is Crease Brush. So I'm applying the shade Paradise all over my eyes. Now I'm going to use this shade Firework. I'm using this one, M321 from Morphe. I will define my crease with this shade. If you notice that I am using this brush, a circular motion, and this will actually help this two color to blend in. The next shade I'm going to use is Gem, which is one shade darker than Fireworks. I'm taking the same brush. Nothing left on my brush, okay? I have nothing left on my brush. What I will do is to blend this color and this color. Again, that same technique that I told you, that you will use your brush in a circular motion along this line. There is nothing on my brush. I'm saying it again and again. There is nothing on my brush. You don't need any more eyeshadow. All you need is a clean brush and blend these two colors so that there is no harsh line. Did you notice that the harsh line is gone already? So this is how you blend your color, you know. This is the prettiest and the easiest trick, I can say. So I took this brush again and I took the black shade, and what I'm going to do is focus on my lash line only. I'm taking a very small amount of NYX glitter primer. I will just tap to my lid like this, okay? And I will press. I will just press. And see, there are glitters. So what I will do to remove this glitter is take this one and remove this one. I did my mascara off camera. Today I'm going to wear the lash from the mall. The shade is Mercury. This is how you can get this kind of eye look.